Okay, so let's get started. Immigration, that is the topic for tonight. And I think for a foreign born entrepreneur, if there's one thing which is stopping us to realize our dream, that is immigration issues. If you want to start a company, if you want to hire somebody from other country, if you know anything you want to think about a startup, you have to go through this particular hurdle of immigration. So this particular issue is very crucial, it's time consuming, and it has an aspect of uncertainty to it, which makes it very troublesome, as we all know. So thankfully we have Shweta Khandelwal tonight with us, who is going to demystify this problem to us and help us with our entrepreneurial journey. And but before that, what I want to do is I want to introduce myself. My name is Raj, and me with a few of the Stanford Ignite students, we started this meetup almost 8 months ago, and we were like 20 friends. We thought we'll just hang out together once a month and have some fun. And then this meetup now has like more than around 2,000 members. So it's been a very fun journey, and thanks to all of you for joining us. And we also have a startup called Workspace. We are trying to solve a distributed team problem. So if you are working on a startup which has a distributed team, and we are working on a beta, so you can go to this website and sign up for a beta if you are interested. Okay, so before I get to the next thing we have in the agenda, I want to thank you, all the volunteers and the co-organizers, especially Grace, Shailesh. Can I see some hands? Govind, Shailesh, Grace, where are you guys? Yeah, okay, so they have been helping selflessly to make this event happen. Grace, along with me, Cynthia, and Wendy. Wendy is online right now. Hey, Wendy. So please have a round of applause for them. All right. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to play our signature 6-word memoir game, which, if you have checked your email, what we are going to do is we want you to think about what is American dream for you in 6 words. And I think immigration is all about American dream, right? You come here, you want to realize your full potential, you want to start your startup, you want to change the world. Everything is starts from immigration. So I think it will be perfect for us to think about this for a while. I'll give you a few minutes. And I came up with something very interesting here. So this is the format of the game. You have to use 6 words only. And then you can use the hashtag American Dream Igniter 6-word at Workspace. And if you enter it here, so take out your mobile phones, and I hope you have a Twitter account. And think about it. I have a very good example which I thought of. Freedom to start and freedom to choose. That is like for all the startups, I think these are the 2 things we want. We want to start our startups, and we want to choose our employees, make a great team. So. And if you enter for this game, the chances of winning is very high, because we have got very few submissions. So this is the time you have next half or 1 hour to submit, and Wendy will be looking at those entries, and you'll get 4 prizes, 4 amazing prizes waiting for you. So get started. Come on, I'll give you 1 minute, and then we'll start with the session. All the creative minds here. Go on, think of something nice. I saw one very nice entry about this, which was related to a family, and I was really impressed by that person. He might get a prize today, but I want to see what all entries you guys can come up with. All right, creative minds, American dream. All right, so I'll let you guys think a bit more, and then. So the next thing in our agenda today is immigration hacking, and a famous lawyer, Shweta Khandelwal, is here, and I know Shweta personally because I have spent hundreds of dollars to consult her, and I realized that she has a lot of information she can share with all of us. So I'd like her start her session, and please welcome Shweta Khandelwal.